Namaste beautiful people, welcome back to the YogaCandi YouTube channel. Today I'm doing something a little different and I'm going to be reviewing the YogaClub Box subscription for you. Before I let you know any more details, what I want to say is that these guys really do give back, and that's my favorite detail about this company. For every box that's sold, they give a child in need a yoga class. So a box, a yoga class. And I think that's an absolutely beautiful gift to give to anybody, never mind somebody in need that maybe would never have that opportunity. And this brand, they don't have, it's not a brand of yoga apparel, but they've got together with loads of different brands. Brands of really good quality like Manduka, Tiki, loads of others as well. And you get up to 50% off the usual retail price, which is absolutely fantastic. So you can either do a box a month or you can do a box that comes every 3 months. So the box a month, you're probably wondering, well, how much is that? It's $71.99. And you get 3 pieces. You get a t-shirt, a bra, trousers, shorts, whatever it is that you've put into your little style quiz. So how this works is there's a quiz online when you go to the YogaClub.com and you fill in the quiz and you say, oh, I prefer shorts, or I prefer long pants, or I prefer capris, whatever it is you like. Do you like just plain colors? Do you like patterns? And then a stylist will sort it out for you, and every month you'll get a lovely surprise and see what it is that they've chosen for you, which is actually really fun, because then it's a little more of a surprise, which I think is great, rather than just boring old let's go shopping. I quite like that personally. I hope you do too. And then there's also every 3 months. You can do it that way as well. You don't have to do it every month. And the every 3 month price is $77.99, which comes to the value of £138 altogether. Now the great thing is this box used to only be in America, but now in the US. But now it's also in the UK and in Ireland, which of course is really beneficial to me and anybody else in this part of the world. So guys, without further ado, I reckon let's have a look what's in here. I've been dying to open this. I've been really good and it's still sealed. So I have no idea what these guys have sent me. I've filled out my style quiz and I do like color, I do like patterns. And I quite like t-shirts and things like that. So let's see, have they got it right? Let's find out. Cut it up. Open up. Oh, it's a really cute box as well, actually. Let's show you the inside as well. So here we go. That's the inside of the box. Okay, let's unwrap this. All right, guys, so far I'm seeing color. Have a very bright pink, hot pink sports bra, which actually feels beautiful. What's this? Jala. Oh yeah, Jala is a lovely brand as well. Usually $48, which I can't work out in pounds right now. I like that. I'm going to try these on as well so you guys can see what they look like. Oh, great. Got a t-shirt as well. Lovely white t-shirt, which actually I can see myself wearing this with more than just yoga clothes. I don't know about the other yogis out there, but I actually like to wear yoga clothes almost every day anyway. I mean, it's so comfortable, isn't it? Especially if you get good quality. So let's see what we got here. This is by Free People, fantastic. And that's normally $38 US for this t-shirt on its own. Okay, fantastic. Let's see the trousers. What have we got? Oh, great. They feel beautiful. So I can't wait to try these on. They've got a beautiful pattern here. And as I say, the stylist chooses for you. And I think they've done a pretty good job so far. I can't wait to give them a go and see how they fit. And this is by Tiki. So the great thing about the brand Tiki is that a lot of their, let's find out with these ones. Yep, a lot of the material is recycled. So these are 79, how did I get 98? Oh gosh, dyslexia. 79% of this pant is recycled material, which is absolutely great. And the retail price normally, have they got it on here? Huh. Oh, there we go. So it's usually $72 US. So, you know, already you've got such an amazing discount with these three together. So guys, without further ado, let me go and try these on and let's see how they look, how they fit. I have to say this is actually quite exciting. And I can imagine that if anybody's a mum, this is a great way to shop because you don't have to pop out with the little kids and everything. You can just have it sent to your house and you know you're getting something kind of fun as well. So I'll be with you in 2 minutes, okay? Here I come. Oh yeah, oh yeah. No, I do feel very good in this outfit. It's amazing. These tiki pants, oh my gosh. I don't know if any of you own tiki pants, but they're like the softest yoga pants I've ever put on. They're so, I don't know, they're beautifully just stretchy and soft, and man, Tiki, you know what you're doing, I have to say that. So they look pretty good. They fit amazingly. So that's the back. Got this beautiful, I love this design as well. Don't know if you guys agree, but that's pretty fun, tropical looking. And then this top as well, this bra, I know it's very hot pink, but I absolutely love that. I think it's beautiful. It's got a really nice detail at the back as well, which I'll show you. Beautiful detail at the back, so that's nice and fits very good. And this t-shirt, I'm absolutely in love with this t-shirt. I do think I'll be wearing this with shorts in the summer. I'll be wearing it with all sorts of things other than just with my yoga apparel. So yeah, I'm very, very pleased. The stylist has done an amazing job on the YogaClub box, I have to say. I'm pretty impressed. I hope you guys are too. So there's nothing else I need to tell you about the brand, but if you need to ask me any questions at all, just ask me in the comments below. But remember to look up YogaClub.com. And then on there you can start your little style, put in what you like, and somebody can find out something fun for you and give you something as beautiful as this. I have to say I'm very, very impressed. It's my first box and I am very impressed. Thank you very much, YogaClub Box. And everybody, have a beautiful day. Namaste.